So good morning class 11 students. We are doing relations and functions, and let us look at exercise 2.2 and some of the questions that are there in exercise 2.2. We can just go through them quickly. I am sure you must have tried the questions. First question जो है आपका A है 1 2 3 से लेकर 14 तक. Define a relation from A to A by R x y 3x minus y. X y belongs to A, right? So what is the relation? We are having a set A given by 1 2 3 4 up till 14, ठीक है. And the relation R is such that x y 3 such that 3x minus y is equal to 3x minus y is equal to 0, or x y belongs to A. This is very important. X and y are not belonging to natural number, they are belonging to A. So first of all, let's write see from 14 only we can go. So y is equal to 3x. सबसे पहले अपन x की वैल्यू 1 पुट करेंगे, so y आएगा 3. So we can write in roster form 1 comma 3, right? 2 comma 6, then 3 comma 9, 4 comma 12, and can we write 5 comma 15? इसमें लिखने के लिए देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है, x y belongs to A. तो y A में 15 is not there in A, so we cannot write this. So this is the relation in roster form. तो इसमें आप आगे पूछा है डोमेन निकालो. डोमेन इज द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, तो आप क्या जाएगा 1 2 3 4, ये डोमेन है. रेंज इज द सेकंड एलिमेंट 3 6 9 12, राइट. एंड कोडोमेन तो हमेशा आपका पूरा सेट रहेगा कोडोमेन, बिकॉज इट इज A to A. Relation R is defined from A to A, so codomain is set A itself. So this is how we do the first question. Now let's look at the next question. Define relation R in the set N of natural numbers. Y is equal to x plus y. X is a natural number less than 4. X is a natural number less than 4. So next में y is equal to x plus 5 less than 4. मतलब पहले ले लेंगे 1 plus 5 पे आएगा 6. तो 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, right? And less than 4 बोला है, so we cannot take 4. So that's it. These are the answers. And this is the relation. Write the domain. Domain is 1 2 3. Write the range. Range is 6 7 8, right? So this way you can complete the question. So you can try the third one, fourth one. I am just doing the question number 4th. यहाँ पर ये बोल रहा है this is the relation given to us and we have to write this in what? So this is the relation given to us and we have to write in roster form and set builder form. Set builder form, you have to understand that you can write set builder form in this way. We are doing question number 4. What is the question? यहाँ पर एक सेट P दे रखा है और एक सेट Q दे रखा है, ठीक है. और रिलेशन दिस इज नोन एज एरो डायग्राम 5 6 7, और यहाँ लिखेंगे 3 4 5 ऐसे कनेक्टेड है, ठीक है. दैट्स मेक द एरो लाइक दिस. नाउ दिस इज द रिलेशन फ्रॉम सेट P to Q. सो वी कैन से डिफाइन रिलेशन फ्रॉम P R Q, मतलब P से R, P से Q, right? This is the symbol of relation, and where P is equal to 5 6 7, right? And R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x minus 3 x minus 2. देखो 5 minus 2 क्या होता है 3, 6 minus 2 4, 7 minus this is 5, okay? So this is 7 minus 5 2. So this is the relation where x and y, or we can say where y, or we can say where x belongs to P. That's it. ठीक है. ऐसे डायरेक्ट let us define a relation on set P such that x y such that P is equal to x minus 2, x belongs to P. So y has a restriction automatically, right? I am not writing x y belongs to this. I am only writing, you can also write P is equal to this and Q is equal to 3 4 5 relation from P to Q, where this y is equal to x minus 2, x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. So that's it. That way also you can write if you want, or you can just write in terms of P. Like for example, they have given in one set also. For example, fifth question: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and RB the relation on A defined by AB belongs to R. B is exactly divisible by A. AB are both belonging to A. यहाँ पर both belonging to A है. So here in this question we are writing P and Q separately. Question number 5 देखते हैं. Let us see the next question. So and in set builder form I have written like this. In roster form you will write like this. This is 5, 3. Directly सीधे element लिख दो. 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. That's it. This is roster form and this is set builder form. Set builder form is a good thing to understand any question, right? So let's do the next question. What is the next question we are getting? This is again a very important one if you understand. Question number 5. ये बोलते हैं एक सेट दे रखा है अपने को A 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and the relation is defined from AB such that AB belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. B divisible होना चाहिए A से, ठीक है? So what we can do? We can take 1, 1, no doubt, क्योंकि 1 is divided by 1, 1 के साथ 1 ही आएगा. B is exactly divisible by A. 2 के साथ 1 आ सकता है and 2 के साथ 2 आ सकता है. So we can write 1, 2 and 2, 2, right? Then 3 के साथ of course we can get 1, 3 and 3, 3. 4 के साथ we can get 1, 4, 2, 4 and 4, 4. 6 के साथ we can get 1, 6, right? Then 2, 6, 3, 6 and 6, 6. This many elements you will get the relation, right? That's it. Find the domain. Domain क्या है इसका? Domain में आप देख लोगे सारे आ जाएगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A खुद ही होगा domain. Domain is A. What is the range? Range में भी आपके पास क्या आ रहा है? We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even the range is A. And codomain is also A. Domain is A, range is A, codomain is A. Right? This is a good question if you have tried this. So I'm sure you have completed this exercise 2.2. If you have any doubts, you can post them. And so now we will come on to a very important definition, that is functions. Now function is a special type of relation. So let me just correct the answer. Check the answer. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Do we have 2, 2 somewhere? Yeah, we have 2, 2. So how many elements are here? 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here also we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are getting the correct answer A. Right. So let's get started to the next topic, that is a definition of a function. Now you have, this is a very important topic, so I'll just write here. Every relation is not a function. Every function is a relation. Okay? हर फंक्शन जो होता है वो रिलेशन होता है. Every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. That you have to understand. ठीक है? तो कौन सा रिलेशन फंक्शन होगा? Some special type. So the definition is a relation from A to B is called a function if this relation is called a function if every element of A, first of all, A and B should not be empty sets. Okay, A and B, that is n of A and is not equal to 0, neither n of B is equal to 0. So we are not looking at empty set. Empty set में work नहीं करता. Function should be a non-empty set A to non-empty set B. Every element of A should have a unique image. In B, and we know that when we are writing an ordered pair 1, 2, 1 की image 2 है. The image of 1 is 2. So we will write like this, f of 1 is 2. f of 1 is equal to 2 मतलब the image of 1 is 2. 1 की इमेज 2 है और 2 की प्री इमेज 1 है, ठीक है. 2 is the image of 1 and 1 is the pre image of 2, ठीक है. 2 is the image of 1 and 1 is the pre image of 2. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. And this is the definition of function. Every element of A should have a unique image in B. एरो डायग्राम से देख लेते हैं. सपोज करो A मैंने डिफाइन कर दिया 1 2 3 और B मैंने डिफाइन कर दिया A B C. D भी ले लेते हैं. So we are getting 1 2 3 A B C D. सपोज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है. अब यहाँ पर एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ A में एवरी एलिमेंट 1 2 3 सबकी इमेज होनी चाहिए A B C. D इज लेफ्ट आउट. वो सेट B में कोई लेफ्ट आउट हो सकता है, सेट A में कोई लेफ्ट आउट नहीं होना चाहिए. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी एलिमेंट लेफ्ट आउट हियर. मोर एवर यहाँ से एक ही एरो जाएगा, दो एरो नहीं जा सकते यहाँ से. सो द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज फंक्शन क्या नहीं होते वो देखो पहले. व्हाट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. टू टाइप में आपको मिल जाएंगे. सपोज करो यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ 1 2 3 A B C D. 1 की इमेज दे दी, 2 की इमेज दे दी, राइट. दिस इज अ रिलेशन बट दिस इज नॉट अ फंक्शन बिकॉज 3 डज नॉट हैव अ इमेज. A में कोई भी एलिमेंट खाली नहीं छूटना चाहिए. B में आप एलिमेंट को लीव कर सकते हो C and D के अंदर, बट इसका इमेज होना जरूरी था जो नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. सेकेंड जो फंक्शन नहीं होता वो देखो. हमने लिखा 1 2 3 और यहाँ लिखा A B C D. 1A 1B 2C 3D. This is also not a function. Why? Because f of 1 is A and f of 1 is B. तो अपन लिख रहे हैं 1A और 1B. 1 की दो इमेज आ गई. यहाँ पे लिखा था every element of A should have a unique image. This is also not a function because 1 is not having a unique image. 1 is having two images A and B. So this is also not a function. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. So what is a function? That every element of A मतलब कोई भी एलिमेंट A का खाली नहीं छूटना चाहिए. Every element of A. First point. Second point should have a unique image. 1A है तो 1B नहीं हो सकता, 1C नहीं हो सकता, 1D नहीं हो सकता. 1A है तो that's it, खत्म. हाँ, this can be there. One element, two elements can have the same image. Two elements can have the same image, but one element cannot have two images. दो या दो से अधिक एलिमेंट्स की इमेज सेम हो सकती है पर एक एलिमेंट की दो इमेजेस नहीं हो सकती. इट इज लाइक दिस. यहां पर अगर A और 1 है 1 2 3 और यहां लिखा A B C D तो हम लिख सकते हैं 1 की इमेज है और 2 की भी है. दिस इज अलाउड. नाउ अनदर थिंग, इसको हम ऐसे करते हैं नॉर्मली मशीन और जॉब से वर्क करते हैं. सपोज देयर आर 3 पीपल एंड A B C D आर 4 मशीन्स. ठीक है, एक फैक्ट्री है जहां पर ये 3 लोग वर्क करते हैं 1 2 3 और हमारे पास 4 मशीन्स हैं A B C D. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वी कैन सेंड 1% टू वन मशीन, 2% टू सेम मशीन, बट वी कैन नॉट सेंड 1% टू 2 मशीन्स. एक आदमी को 2 मशीन पे हम वर्क करने नहीं भेज सकते. व्हाट? बट वी कैन सेंड 2 पीपल टू द सेम मशीन. इफ द मशीन इज बिग इनफ वी कैन से भाई यू 2 पीपल गो एंड वर्क ऑन द सेम मशीन. So this is like people and this is like machine. Another thing, if you are calling somebody to work, you cannot leave that person as empty. आपने वर्क में 3 आदमी को, you have called 3 persons to work. You cannot say the third person does not have any job. You have to give the job to the third person also. But you can leave the machines. आप D छोड़ दो, C छोड़ दो. You can ask them to work on the same machine, A and B, like this. So understand, the first set is like people. And the second set is like machines. You can not leave people. You can leave machines. You cannot send 2 people to the same machine. ये आपको ध्यान आना चाहिए. Then you will understand functions. Then we will study type of functions, one function, onto functions, into functions later on. But ये आपको definition पता होना चाहिए. This is a function, right? So that's it for the class and see you in the next class.